Peace, you all. I tell you, the birds love me. Everywhere I go. I don't care if I'm in Arizona, California, Florida. It don't matter. Chicago, Minnesota. It don't matter. The birds love me. Great. Represent that he's the king and he's a black duck. Look at that. Wow. Imagine that. What does that tell you? This is called duck talk. Duck talk. This is duck talk. And look at the black one. Look at that. They love me. They love me. These birds are amazing. Look at that. Look at that. I have superb energy. Ain't that right? Right. Look at this, see? You see these group of birds? Many of them are pigeons. But look at these group of birds here. Now what gets me is that these group of birds, even the little dog over there, right? They can all get along. Why people can't be that same way? I'm just saying. It's amazing. This is so cool. How you doing? Look at that, you all. They love me. They love me. Look at all of these different birds here. Look at all these birds here. Right? Have you ever been so in touch with nature? Look at that. And look at that big one right there. Look at that joker. Wow. Look at that duck. And they're just all around me. See, this is what happens when you have good energy. You see? And all of these ducks, in a way, remind me of human beings. Because all of these ducks and birds are different. They're just all around me, right? Why people can't learn a lesson from this video? You see how peaceful they are? Look at that. That is absolutely amazing, you all. Duck talk, duck talk. Yeah, I saw him. I got him like twice good. He just came up on me like give me a cameo here. You know, he's just hanging out. Look at that big duck. Wow. What you see in the building? What you see?